Welcome to Student Advising using SharePoint and SignNow for Shaw University. First, go to shawu.sharepoint.com. Log in using your ShawU credentials. This is the Shaw University SharePoint homepage. From here, you will find Academic Affairs. Under Academic Affairs, you'll find your school. For this video, I'm going to use School of Arts and Sciences. Once you get to your school's homepage, you're going to scroll down to the section called Quick Links. And you're going to click on the advising form. Now you will start by entering the fields on this form. You'll start by renaming the document. First, you will start by typing the student's name. And the student's ID number. And then the semester. You'll keep the form name, and then you will just type the advisor's last name. You'll scroll down and type your or the advisor's email address. You'll enter the student's ShawU email address. And I'm using different email addresses just for this training purpose. You'll enter the department head or dean's email address. All right, and once you're done, you'll click Send Invite. And the student and advisor will both receive an email at the same time. Student will open up their email either on their phone or a computer. And they'll see the emails just like this with this open document, and they'll click that. And then we'll click Get Started. And the student will need to fill out all of these fields in this yellow-orange color. Once they fill out all of this, they'll scroll down and they will need to sign as a student. And it won't let them submit that document unless they sign it. If the students received a grade below a C, they need to complete this second page, Academic Intervention. And it's the advisor's responsibility to make sure that any student that receives any grades below a C need to complete the second page. Once a student does all that they're required, they will click Done, and the document will automatically be submitted. The advisor will also receive an email asking them to sign the document. They'll click Open Document. Get started. And as you see, all this front portion is not highlighted since that's the student's role. What the advisor needs to do is everything in blue. So you'll make sure you fill out all that information. You can also use this orange field on the left-hand side, and that'll help you to make sure you don't miss a section. The advisor will sign in the signature field. Once everything's completed and all their courses that they will register are entered, they'll click Done in the top right hand of your screen. And as you can see, you can tell what document you are signing. The student's name is here and their ID number. And once a student has signed, their information will also appear here. So once everything looks right, you'll click Done. And if you are unable to find the email as an advisor, you can also log into your SignNow account. Should have received an email from IT for your SignNow account. So you'll just log in with your email and whatever password you set it to. And here you'll see that's the document that we created. And as you see, no one has signed this document yet. Once the advisor and the student have completed the document, an email will be sent to the department head for them to sign. And once all have signed, the form will be complete and all the signers, including the school's admin, will receive an email with the completed document. Admins are then to download the file and upload it to their school's SharePoint page in the folder called Advising, and then the respective semester. Thank you for listening to Student Advising Form using SignNow and SharePoint. For more information, contact your school's administrative assistant. For technology assistance, contact the Shaw U Help Desk. Thank you.